So guys, are you trying to play Last Day on Earth? I was trying to play Ldoe, Last Day on Earth, and I'm getting this error. And well, the error says warning, unable to connect to the server, please check your internet connection. If the problem persists, we apologize for any inconvenience caused and we are working to resolve the issue. Warning, in order to avoid losing your progress, do not uninstall the game. Synchronization error, restart the game. So what's really happening on with Ldoe? Is Last Day on Earth having scheduled maintenance or something like that? Well, today in this video we will figure it out, so let's get started. So guys, for any sort of update, I headed over to the Last Day on Earth Twitter official page, and here you can see looks like about 42 minutes ago they have got a tweet, and what it says, well, this is what it says. It says, survivors, we have seen all of your tweets about being unable to get into the game, and don't panic, the reason lies in the maintenance that took longer than expected. We apologize for the inconvenience. Next time you'll be warned in advance, and it's all good now, so jump in. And this is their reply. They say the picture of Kitty is here for no reason, just because Kitty are cool and for the glory of Stray. Okay, well, and the user replied, no, they opened back up on third time. Okay, also some people are getting this error. Looks like they are saying the servers are back up, but people are getting synchronization error, restart the game. And you can see this is still happening. Like 19 minutes ago, I still can't able to get in. I'm playing on S21. So yeah, once Ldoe Twitter official page tweeted out the Kitty, people are also replying their things. So obviously, like, server maintenance is going on right now, guys, but they said that it's all good now, so jump in. So you can try opening the game again, but as they said, losing your progress, do not uninstall the game. Maintenance took longer, that means still you might be facing this maintenance issue right now, but hopefully it will be get fixed soon. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.